Hi, my name's Autumn, and I'm going to be singing Jesus Take the Wheel. She was driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on this old white Christmas Eve. Her going home to see her mama and her daddy with her baby in the backseat. 50 miles to go, she was running low on faith and gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year. She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew it, she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw both their lives flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. And Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hands. 'Cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go. So give me one more chance to save me from this road I'm on. From this road I'm on. And Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting colder when she made it to his shoulder as the car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby in the backseat sleeping like a rock. And for the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. I know I've got to change. So from now on tonight, I don't know if you like it. Comment, rate, subscribe.